Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Much better. Well, anyway, this is another diamond painting video. So, if y'all don't like diamond painting, just give me a thumbs up and help me out that way. Okay. I'm going to show you what I've been up to. Okay, so I finished my little snowman diamond painting. I put it in my portfolio. I sealed it with that stuff I showed y'all. And this is the one that has the AB drills or AB beads. And the shine is spectacular. And I always cut all the border off of mine. I want y'all to see the shine. If y'all don't see nothing else, I want you to see the sparkle. Oh my goodness. It looks like it has twinkle lights on it, and they just cutting up every time the light is hitting the beads. But anyway, I might display this at Christmas time. It's so pretty. And like I said, I sealed it, so I won't have no beads popping off. So I'm going to put this back in my portfolio. I'm proud of myself, y'all. Oh, and I learned something. I was practicing how to use my multi-placers. This rest of my pictures in case y'all didn't see. Wait a minute, this is the first one I did. Somebody thought this was the same as my second picture. But no, they're different. They're different. Okay, so far I've finished 3 diamond paintings. And I was doing those dot by dot by dot. But I learned how to use the multi-placers. Okay. This will hold 3 beads at a time. I think this one will hold 10. Well, these will hold many more at one time. So if you got an area where it has all one color, dip that in the beads, in your tray of beads, and it'll pick them all up at one time. Then you just place them. Make sure you place them straight. And if you don't, use your straightener thing. You got a thing that goes on the end of your drill pin. Then you can straighten your rows of beads back into place. Okay. So let me show you how I section off my new diamond painting that I'm working on. And I still don't have any washi tape. I got masking tape. It's regular masking tape. I got the skinny roll that you use when you painting and you want to section off something. I think it's the same thing as washi tape. But anyway, this is what I'm using and it works fine. This is the painting I'm working on now. It's Van Gogh's Starry Night. Okay? So I sectioned it off with my masking tape on top of this plastic cover. Then I took some little scissors. I cut this plastic so I can just get to that part. So this is a section that I'm doing now. I'm working in bite-sized sections, so it's not overwhelming. So it's looking good. I still got quite a bit to do on here, but it's going much faster since I learned how to use the multi-placers. I'm very comfortable with the 3. I'm not too comfortable with the ones that's big like that, but practice makes perfect. Sometimes my drill pen don't want to pick up my AB drills, beads. So I heard somebody on YouTube say to use the dental wax. You know what people use when they got braces? This is dental wax. And I mean, it's soft. You can mash it with your fingers, and it's made to mold around your braces, so the braces don't rub against the inside of your mouth. But this is also good for dipping your the end of this in. It's already got stuff in it, and it works just like the wax, but it actually works with AB drills. Get this from Amazon. So so far I've gotten most of my all of my diamond painting supplies from Amazon. But there's this company that wants to work with me, so y'all will soon see another company that's very, very reasonable with their diamond painting kits. Very reasonable. Well, usually these diamond painting companies, they're so expensive. Too rich for my blood. So you'll see that maybe in the next week, whenever they send my stuff, and I can get to reviewing what they sent me. And with a discount code of the already inexpensive items. But anyway, I kit up this diamond painting. So I got all my stuff numbered and in these containers, all the colors I need. So, and this is my kit I got from Amazon. It's the Art Dot 60 container kit. It came with a whole lot of stuff which I showed in my review of this. But the thing that I really like that came with this kit, I didn't think I was going to have a use for this. This foldable funnel. When I first showed this, did the review, it's nice, y'all. I was thinking that as long as I had this tray, diamond drill tray, that was all I needed to pour the beads back into the container. When you're kitting up, you need this. It fits down in there. You pour the beads in there. It's in here. Okay? Very nice. Fold it up, and I lost the top just that quick. Okay. Oh, here it is. And something else I learned from another YouTuber. When you put your beads in here, and you know you're supposed to shake them to get them all to flip the correct side. She cut up one of these things. She cut one of these things, you know, that goes on the end of your pencil. The squishy thing, so it cushion your finger. She cut one of the little rings off and put it in here. So you ain't got to worry about the beads sliding out the end of that. As you shake them and then do that to make them line up, you ain't got to worry about the beads sliding out. Good tip. And I forgot who did it. And something else I want to show y'all that's very helpful in diamond painting. Okay, you need one of these big trays with the funnel thing. You do need a collapsible funnel. So if you got this Art Dot kit in the first place, you wouldn't have to worry about that because it comes with it. So look for my Art Dot storage container for my painting supplies. Something else that didn't come with it is the little vacuum. You're gonna spill your beads, y'all. So this will pick up your beads You hear that? It will pick them up. You spill them over a large area, or if you spill them on a not so large area, you put this on it. That'll pinpoint where you need to pick them up. Like I had spilled some beads in here around the containers. So I just pinpointed and picked them up. It set them all up. Very handy. And I think this was 2 for maybe $12 or $13. 2 came in a pack. Pink one and a blue one. But they also sell these on Temu for I think under $5 each. So if you want to wait, then go to Temu. And what else? Very helpful. Oh, I showed y'all my light pad. This one is by, I forgot the name of it. Anyway, this is a size A3 light pad. And right now I'm only doing 30 by 40 centimeter diamond paintings. So it fits on here perfectly. The A4 is smaller. It's cheaper, smaller, but get the size that works best for you. Very helpful. You may wonder what I'm doing with my excess beads after I finish a diamond painting. The light got bad. I just dump them in a bag all together. I'm not going to be putting them all in baggies and all that, separate baggies, different colors. On my second painting, I did run out of one color of beads. So I looked in here and I had to pick out the color I needed. And I was able to find the color I needed from my first diamond painting. So finish out my painting. And what else is very helpful? You need some magnifying glasses. You need some specs. This is only for close-up work. It ain't for walking around because you'll walk into something. So, helpful, useful things for diamond painting. You need the light pad, this here. You need just some magnifying glasses if you have trouble, if you're about my age and you need some help, okay? This is very helpful unless you just want to pick up bead by bead by bead with your fingers. This is a nice little vacuum. So I will list the stuff I talked about in my description box. Like I said, I got everything from Amazon. Oh, and this is, I think I mentioned, this is by the company Art Dot, A-R-T-D-O-T. And they sent me a code to use, so you can get 10% off any purchase if you use that code. It's very new, so I'm not sure what it is, but it'll be in my description box. And find some way to store your finished diamond paintings, because you don't want to just lay them on the table and junk be piled on them and cats be walking all over them. And so this way I group all my stuff together in one place. So I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Even for those of y'all who say you could never diamond paint, it's too tedious and all that. To me, it's relaxing. And I found a way to make it go a little quicker by using these multi-spacers. But the 3 is the one I'm most comfortable with. Picks up 3 dots at a time instead of just 1. Okay? But I have been using these. I think one is an 8. I don't know. but I'm not so comfortable using them yet. But I will be. But anyway, thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to figure out what to hold up for my thumbnail. This is my latest diamond painting, Starry Night. I don't know how you can use other people's artwork and make something else out of it. Okay. Well, I'm glad I got my hands on it. I remember going to a big timey art museum in LA, and I saw all of Vincent van Gogh's artwork. Beautiful work. And this was gorgeous. This was gorgeous. Now I got it. I got it. Got me a copy of it. So, y'all be blessed. Okay, bye. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. Even if this ain't your thing, you can still help MzBrazell's channel out by thumbsing up this video. Okay, bye.